If you're looking at the FIFA World Cup and wondering how people actually place bets on matches using platforms like Caesars Sportsbook, then what you're about to hear is a full, step-by-step breakdown of how it works in real life, how beginners usually approach it, and how the entire system of online sports betting is structured during one of the biggest sporting events in the world. Now, the World Cup is not like regular league betting, where you have ongoing matches every week from the same teams. It is a global tournament that happens once every 4 years, and that alone changes how betting behaves. The demand is higher, the odds move faster, and there are far more betting markets available than usual. People don't just bet on who wins a match anymore. They bet on goal scorers, group winners, total goals in a match, halftime results, tournament winners, and even things like which team gets the most yellow cards. So when someone uses Caesars Sportsbook during the World Cup, the first thing they usually do is access the platform either through the mobile app or the official website. The experience is designed to be simple because sports betting platforms know that during global events like the World Cup, millions of new users will be joining for the first time. Once you open the app, the first thing that matters is account setup. You can't place any real bets without creating an account. That means entering basic information like your name, date of birth, and location. The reason location matters is because sports betting is regulated differently depending on where you are. Some regions allow full betting access, others restrict certain types of wagers, and some only allow fantasy style betting. After registration, there is usually an identity verification step, often called KYC, where you confirm your identity using a valid ID. This step is important because it ensures that only eligible users are placing bets. After your account is verified, the next step is funding your wallet. This is where you deposit money into your Caesars Sportsbook account so you can start betting. Most users choose methods like debit cards, bank transfers, or digital payment options, depending on what is available in their region. Once your deposit is confirmed, your account balance becomes your betting bankroll. Now here's where things actually become interesting. When you open the sportsbook during the FIFA World Cup, you will see a dedicated section for football or soccer, depending on your region. Inside that section, you'll find all the World Cup matches listed in real time. Each match will have odds attached to it, and those odds represent the probability of different outcomes. For beginners, the most basic type of bet is called a moneyline bet. This simply means you are choosing which team will win the match. For example, if Brazil is playing against Germany, you can place a bet on Brazil to win, Germany to win, or in some cases, a draw. The odds will tell you how much you stand to win based on how likely the sportsbook thinks each outcome is. But during the World Cup, betting goes far beyond just picking winners. One of the most popular betting styles is over and under goals. This is where you are betting on whether the total number of goals in a match will be over a certain number or under it. For example, if the line is set at 2.5 goals, you are deciding whether the match will have 3 or more goals or 2 or fewer goals. This type of bet is very popular because it doesn't depend on who wins, just how the game is played. Another major category that becomes extremely popular during the World Cup is handicap betting, also known as spread betting. This is where one team is given a virtual advantage or disadvantage before the match starts. It helps balance matches where one team is significantly stronger than the other. For example, if a strong team is heavily favoured, the sportsbook might give them a -1 handicap, meaning they need to win by at least 2 goals for your bet to succeed. As you explore deeper into Caesars Sportsbook during the tournament, you'll also notice prop bets, which are basically special bets on specific events. These can include things like which player will score first, whether there will be a penalty in the match, how many corners a team will get, or even whether a match will go into extra time or penalties. These types of bets are where many users try to find value because they are more detailed and sometimes less predictable. Now, one of the most exciting parts of betting on the World Cup for a platform like Caesars is live betting. This means you are placing bets while the match is already happening. The odds change in real time, depending on how the game is going. If a team scores early, the odds shift. If a team is dominating possession but not scoring, the odds adjust again. This creates a fast-moving environment where timing becomes very important. For example, if a match starts slowly and there are no goals in the first 20 minutes, some bettors might decide to place an over 1.5 goals bet, expecting the game to open up later. Others might go the opposite direction and bet on a low-scoring match if both teams look defensive. Live betting is where experience and quick decision-making really come into play. Now let's talk about something very important that many beginners overlook, and that is understanding odds format. On Caesars Sportsbook, odds are usually displayed in American format, like plus 150 or minus 200. A positive number means how much profit you make from a $100 bet. A negative number shows how much you need to bet to win $100. For example, plus 150 means if you bet $100, you win $150 profit if your bet is correct. Meanwhile, minus 200 means you need to bet $200 to win $100. During the World Cup, odds shift constantly because of public betting behaviour. If a lot of people are betting on one team, the sportsbook adjusts the odds to balance risk. That is why experienced bettors often look for value instead of just picking favourites. Value betting means finding situations where the odds offered are higher than the actual probability of the outcome. Once you understand odds and markets, the next step is building a strategy. Many casual bettors during the World Cup make the mistake of betting emotionally. They bet on their favourite team or follow hype without analysing form, injuries or tactics. But more structured bettors usually look at team performance, group stage dynamics, historical matchups, and even travel fatigue. For example, in the World Cup group stage, teams often play more cautiously because one loss can drastically affect qualification chances. This often leads to lower scoring matches compared to knockout rounds where teams are forced to take more risks. Understanding these patterns can help you make more informed decisions. As you continue using Caesars Sportsbook, you'll also notice features like same-game parlays. This is where you combine multiple bets from the same match into one single wager. For example, you might bet that Argentina will win, Lionel Messi will score, and the total goals will be over 2.5. If all parts of the bet win, your payout can be significantly higher, but the risk also increases because all outcomes must be correct. Another important concept during World Cup betting is bankroll management. This simply means controlling how much money you risk on each bet. Even experienced bettors rarely risk large portions of their bankroll on a single match. Instead, they divide their funds into smaller units and place consistent bets. This helps reduce the impact of losses and keeps the betting experience more stable over time. As the tournament progresses from group stages to knockout rounds, betting behaviour also changes. Early stages have more unpredictable results because weaker teams can surprise stronger ones. But in knockout stages, matches become more tactical and defensive, which often leads to different betting opportunities, like extra time or penalty shootout markets. Throughout the entire experience on Caesars Sportsbook, the key idea is not just placing bets, but understanding how the game of football itself changes under tournament pressure. The World Cup is unique because it brings together different playing styles from all over the world, and that diversity creates unpredictable outcomes that make betting both exciting and challenging. Another thing worth mentioning is promotions and bonuses. Sportsbooks often introduce special World Cup offers, such as risk-free bets or deposit matches. These promotions are designed to attract new users during high-traffic events. While they can add extra value, it's still important to read the conditions attached to them, such as minimum odds requirements or wagering rules. Now, if you are completely new to this, the most important mindset to have is not treating betting as a guaranteed way to make money, but rather as a form of entertainment where knowledge improves your chances. The more you understand teams, odds, and match dynamics, the better your decisions become over time. As the final matches of the World Cup approach, betting markets become even more intense. The semi-finals and finals usually attract the highest volume of bets globally. At this stage, even small details like player injuries or weather conditions can influence outcomes. Bettors often spend more time analysing these final matches because the stakes are higher and the margins are smaller. In conclusion, betting on the FIFA World Cup using Caesars Sportsbook is a process that starts with account setup, moves into understanding odds and markets, and evolves into developing strategy and discipline. Whether you are placing simple match winner bets or exploring more advanced options like parlays and live betting, the key is understanding how each market works and how football itself changes during a global tournament. And once everything is set up properly, the experience becomes less about guessing and more about reading the game, analysing patterns, and making informed decisions based on how matches actually unfold in real time.